I'm Julie Davidson, owner and operator of Komadre Kombucha Taproom. Kombucha is a fermented tea that contains prebiotic and probiotic cultures. It's fermented by two factors. One is the introduction of a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, and two is how it feeds. Kombucha is created when sweet tea meets that culture. The culture needs sugar and tannins in order to keep growing. And what the culture does while it's nibbling on the sugars and the tea is that it creates this lovely fermentation and gives all of us all of the beneficial bacteria that help our gut, that help with all kinds of other health conditions. There are several health benefits associated with regular consumption of kombucha tea. The biggest one, of course, is that it helps to regulate the functioning of your gut. Now, I'm not a physician, and I don't pretend to be selling some kind of magic elixir here. In my own experience, however, I know that kombucha has helped me to overcome a lot of digestive health issues that probably would have required pharmaceuticals had I not started to eat healthier and include kombucha as part of my daily diet. Komadre Kombucha really has been a lifelong dream of mine. When I was growing up, I always played store, and I took great inspiration from the entrepreneurial family members who were always sharing stories about businesses they were launching in Panama. And later on, as I grew up and started to connect with the Cuban side of my family, I realized I come from an industrious people. So I've always been out ahead, sort of coming up with the next big thing. And when the COVID pandemic hit, all of the contracts that I had built up over many, many years started disappearing before my very eyes. And I had been brewing kombucha as a hobby for years and thought, you know, now might be a moment to put some feelers out. So I started the Booch Brigade, which was a door delivery service to bring kombucha to my friends, colleagues, and family members. And unbeknownst to me, that process of sharing kombucha just to help boost everyone's spirits and boost their health actually became a wonderful case study for me to test the concept and see if my product was viable. And it was. So I started looking for real estate, and just about a year ago, I found this place on 6th Avenue and have been here in operation since the middle of May, really enjoying the neighborhood and all of our wonderful, supportive businesses along the Ave. Folks who are interested in trying Komadre Kombucha are welcome to visit us at our 6th Avenue tap room. In addition, if you visit the website, and that's komadrekombucha.com, you can find an interactive map that will show you the 10+ places where kombucha is being served on tap or in bottles. Folks have been really supportive and really wanting to support a local kombucha provider. So we're excited to see that expand and to see Komadre Kombucha in other places throughout Pierce County. Kombucha tea makes a great mixer for all kinds of drinks. And at Komadre Kombucha Taproom, we actually replace alcohol with the kombucha tea that we brew. So I'd love to show you our homage to a Cuban classic, the mojito. Here at Komadre, we call it La Mojita. We're gonna start with unflavored kombucha and add to that the classic flavors of the mojito, mint and lime. This mint is locally harvested in Puyallup. So I like to start with mint and lime at the bottom of my cup and get my muddler and blend those together. It helps release the essences so you have a really flavorful drink. Once that's muddled, I add some ice. And you can do this at home with mint and lime and whatever kombucha you like. But here at Komadre, we use an unflavored kombucha. And because I really like that mint and lime, I also have a favorite simple syrup with just a little kick. Once that's in, I top it off with just a little more mint and add some garnish. And it's ready to enjoy. Salud.